How to start business. Business opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming. Richard Branson. Nowadays, everyone has an idea and wants to contribute to the world. The population of the world today is dominated by the population of the youth. There was once an era of the jobs, but now the youth want to earn their own space in the world. Business comes as a solution to the problem the world is facing. This way, youth can contribute to make the world a better place by filling the gaps with their solutions. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Humoneyty channel, where we discuss meaningful topics that will help you learn about some productive topics and make money online. Till now, you would have got an idea about what we are going to talk about in today's video. Yes, you guessed it right. It is going to be something about business. Not just something, but we are going to share a proper structure of starting a business in today's world. If you are someone who wants to become an entrepreneur and you understand the requirements of the customers, but you don't know how to start a business, then this is the video for you. Before we begin with this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel now, because this is not the only one. We are going to bring a lot more informational and helpful content just for you. If you want to know how you can survive for long in the market with your business model, then watch this video till its end. Without any further ado, let's hop into the video. 1. Provide your customers with something authentic. The very first thing in business is your authenticity. Whatever product you are giving to the customer, do not offer them something that already exists in the market. Therefore, it is very important to know the needs of your customer so that you can provide them with exactly what they want. For instance, you are in a place where only non-vegetarian food is available, and people who like vegetarian food have to go to other places to eat vegetarian food. So, you can open a food court where only vegetarian food is available. That is an example. 2. Plan everything in advance. If you are thinking about starting a business and you think your business model is worth presenting, then prepare everything in advance. Like a business model, how much you will invest in your business, how much you will spend on marketing, and everything else. Don't forget to have a clear idea of how much revenue you are going to generate from this business. 3. Know your audience. Whenever a product is released in the market, it is not always suitable for everyone. Like bangles, for example. Thought everyone can wear bangles. When someone creates bangles, then they have females as their target audience. Therefore, know your target audience, their age group, sex, and whatever seems to be required. 4. Invest accurately in promotion. You know that your product is great, but how will you tell the world that you have created something unique and great for them? Once you know your target audience, start promoting your product. There are two ways to promote your product: traditional or digital. Traditional ways to promote your product is to go and give an advertisement on newspapers, television, and the form of pamphlets. Nowadays, digital platforms like social media are the right platform to promote a product because you can find every niche of audience online who might show some keen interested in your product. However, if you are thinking of a way to promote your product or service to your targeted audience, then I would like to share with you the epic Lipton tea advertisement featuring Eminem, the god of rap. The advertisement clearly targets the fitness freak, featuring a personality that signifies fit body and healthy lifestyle. You are more than welcome go and watch this advertisement. 5. Launch your product. On the right time, do your research and find out the right time when the society or your customers are in utter need of that product or service. If you launch your product or services late, then your products or services might not do well and your business could face a loss. 6. Decide the right margin. Many businesses who introduce their products into the market do not focus on the margin on their products. You have to launch your product with a margin that can bring you to profits by recovering the production, traveling, and other costs may appear. You have to run a business, and this is the only source of your income. Therefore, you will have to generate a margin that could enable you to make your living and invest in your business. 7. Have long-term approach. People who are new to the world of the business keep on running behind new clients. They do all their efforts to bring in new clients and forget about their already existing clients. This behavior can be harmful to any business model. Hence, it is advised to keep an eye on bringing in new clients, but keep a firm hold on your long-term clients. 8. Have maintained account book. Keep a detailed account of your earnings. Keep a proper track of payments done online and also have some cash in your hands to take your business forward. Always ask for advanced payment for your services so you can run your business by making all of the payments in time. 9. Prepare a plan to spread your business. If you have started a business, obviously you want to sustain it forever, then the only way to help your business sustain forever is to spread it and scale it. You will have to start your business locally or online, and you can grow your business by taking it to the other places and vast audience by using all these tactics we have discussed above. 10. Pay attention to your customers' feedback. The ultimate step to grow your business is to keep on improving your products and services. The best way to improve the quality of your product is by taking account of the customer feedback. The customers who are providing their valuable feedback are the one who actually wants to see you grow. Therefore, never take your customers for granted and offer them services that can make them stay. That's it. Here we come to the end of this video, and we hope it was helpful to you. Before you leave, Do tell us the step that you find really helpful to start your business. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends who are giving a thought to start their own business. And please subscribe to this channel now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.